How to find recycle bin on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Files on your device. After you've opened Files on your device, in here, click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. You'll find Trash in here. You'll find all the trash of your phone. Simply hold on to it. If you want to restore it, restore. If not, press on delete at the bottom as it will be deleted permanently. And if you want to find your gallery's trash bin, you can go to the gallery and then scroll down at the bottom. You'll find recently deleted. Click on it. You'll find all your recently deleted things. You can simply empty it by clicking on the brush icon at the top right. Press on delete and you're good to go. This is how to find recycle bin on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.